Welcome to the future of health and human development. Join us at the Actuate Pre-Boston Nairobi Summit, where innovation meets impact. Dive into our exclusive workshops designed to revolutionize industries and empower communities through blockchain, artificial intelligence, and decentralized finance. Explore the Blockchain and Decentralized Finance Workshop, where you'll collaborate with experts to reshape healthcare and financial systems, making them more inclusive and efficient. Don't miss the Biomedicine Translation Science Workshop. Here, translate cutting-edge research into tangible health solutions that can go to market, improving lives globally. Address our planet's most pressing challenges in the Environmental Health Workshop. Learn how sustainable technologies can create healthier communities and ecosystems. Empower women at the forefront of technology in our Women's Workshop, harnessing blockchain and artificial intelligence to strengthen economic and health outcomes. Each workshop is a step towards building a sustainable future, with practical outcomes from using emerging technology for enhancing access to clean water to advancements in renewable energy. Ready to be a part of the change? Visit us online to register and learn more about how you can contribute to global health and sustainability. Actuate Nairobi Summit. Dare, discover, do. We're waiting for you.